I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresca with your Need to Know weather. ABC 13 has issued an ABC 13 Weather Watch for today. We've got some scattered thunderstorms developing around the Houston area later on this evening that could turn severe. All three weather parameters hazards are on the table, but a cold front moving through on Tuesday will allow for some cooler, drier conditions, being reinforced by another front arriving by the middle of the week, sending us some nice cool weather just in time for Thanksgiving. Today, temperature readings will warm somewhere in the low to mid 80s out ahead of that boundary. Overnight, temperature readings will begin to drop, especially north and west of Houston, where the cold front has moved through. Those temperatures will be down in the upper 50s. Meanwhile, Houston still in the low 60s there. So a couple of fronts that will be tracking this week. It will be a wet start to the week with front number 1 as showers and thunderstorms begin to increase, some of which could be on the heavier side. The flood risk today, a level 1 out of 4. So looking for isolated ponding, a possibility. The severe weather threat has been elevated to a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5. And basically what that means is we've got the potential for some damaging winds, some small hail, and even a brief spin up, an isolated tornado, a possibility. And here you can see the severe weather threats for today with street flooding in the medium range. Here's a look at future tracks. Some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms later this morning into the afternoon, and where those individual cells pop up out ahead of that boundary is where we could potentially be dealing with some strong to severe thunderstorms as we head into the evening hours. We'll be watching as that line congeals over Houston, and so by midnight or so, between midnight and 2 a.m. tomorrow is when some of the strongest thunderstorms will be pushing through the area. By that time, it will be mainly a damaging wind threat, and then getting closer to the coastline first thing Tuesday morning, and then all of that moisture dries up. Looking for a nice dry afternoon on Tuesday with those winds coming in out of the north. So rainfall totals will fluctuate anywhere between 1/4 to 1/2 inch. In some spots, there will be those isolated amounts of over 1 to 3 inches. We will get a drop in the humidity. You'll feel that drop in humidity as early as Tuesday, but it will be a reinforcement shot of cooler, drier air, but another front on Wednesday that brings those dew point temperatures even lower, as I mentioned, dropping as we get into Thanksgiving morning. Overnight lows by Wednesday, we'll be looking at temperature readings starting off in the 50s. First thing out the door, afternoon highs only in the upper 60s to low 70s. Thanksgiving morning, temperatures will be dropping into the 40s. It will be a chilly start for those of you heading to the H-E-B Thanksgiving Day Parade. Make sure you're dressed in layers. It will be breezy as well. Temperature readings during the afternoon will be warming into the upper 60s. You'll notice that we've got a nice warming trend over the weekend, and as we head into the weekend, there will be the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms for Saturday and Sunday. All right, that's a look at your forecast on this Monday. Thanks for watching.